सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some math quiz questions for class 3. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours are there in a day. This is the first question. And second question we will watch. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes are there in hour. Okay. 1 liter is equal to how many grams? 1 liter is equal to how many grams? 1000 milli. Okay. Next question. The length of the field can be measured in millimeters, meters, kilometers. Which is the option? Meters. The length of a field can be measured in meters. Okay. Next question. The distance between Mumbai and Hyderabad can be measured in centimeters, meters, kilometers. The distance between Mumbai and Hyderabad can be measured in kilometers. Okay. When number is multiplied by 0, the answer you get is always 0. Simple question. 425 multiply 1 is equal to 425. Very easy question. Next question. 555 multiply 10 is equal to 5550. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. This is the largest 4-digit number. 425 plus 30 is equal to 30 plus 425. 30 is the answer. 425 plus 0 is equal to 425. 425 multiply 0 is equal to 0. 1789 minus 0 is equal to 789. So answer is 0. Half of an apple is greater than, equal to, or less than 1/3 of an apple. Half an apple is greater than 1/3 of an apple. This is the question answer. 1/4 of a cake is greater than, equal to, less than 1/3 of the cake. 1/3, fourth of a cake less than 1/3 of the cake. This question's answer. Weight of a person is measured in liters, kilometers, kilogram. Kilogram. This question's answer. 8 o'clock in the evening is 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. 8 o'clock in the evening is a 8 p.m. So we have watched some GK question about maths and reasoning. So now I'm completing my session. Namaskar.